So, do they have a drone?
They have a drone between 16 and 1900 RPM. But if you're on the highway, drop it down a gear, you get it up over 2, no problem.
You can just ride around it.
You can ride around it.
Very cool. Would you recommend these or the SGT?
I like these.
You like the loud. All right, very cool. So we're going to listen to your exhaust. What was it, JBA?
I've got JBA stainless mufflers on it.
All right, let me back up here. Oh, you don't have to move. You don't have to move. You just don't want to be smelling the exhaust when he starts it up. Go ahead. Very good. All right. You ready to rock?
Yep.
Go ahead. All right. That's enough. Here are these Flowmasters. Very nice. Sounds good.
The full long tube 3-inch catback exhaust from Stainless Works out of Sugar Falls, Ohio. I had it over there this winter. They did their 1 7/8 inch primaries, long tubes, Catted X, and their chambered mufflers, which they say is the quieter of the two, because I didn't want to be too obnoxious. They did a magnificent job. Kudos all around to their crew and everybody. They top-notch service all the way. Fit and finish is tremendous. Great customer service, and I got no complaints.
Very cool.
Sounds just like I wanted to. Quiet when I'm driving, coming up from Cleveland this morning. No drone or anything at 70 miles an hour. But when I hit the loud pedal, they'll hear me coming.
Yep. So did you get a stage kit from Evolution or what?
Yeah, I guess stage 1. I called Fred because, you know, not many people have just long tubes with the cold air, so I was like, it's kind of a unique combo, not a stage 2 or whatever. It's kind of 2.5 maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
And he said they had a tune for it, no problem. Have not had it to the dyno yet, but let's just say if it's cold enough, I'm breaking it loose at about 75 miles an hour.
That's cool. Well, can we hear it?
Absolutely.
Start up. Let's hear that exhaust. Rev it up a little bit. Man, that sounds throaty. All right. Very good. All right. Very good. That's good, John. Thank you.